Hey everyone, so today we're going to talk about Ohm's Law and what it is. So Ohm's Law is basically the relationship between voltage, current, and resistance. You basically use it so you won't have any shorts in anything you're doing. Okay, so the formula for Ohm's Law is basically a triangle. And the first one is going to be E, which stands for volts. And then the second one is going to be I, which stands for current. And then the third one is going to be an R, and which stands for resistance. And messed up right there a little, but basically you get the idea. So EIR, volts, current, and resistance. Okay, and to use the formula, let's say for instance you don't know the resistance, so you don't have this, but you do know the volts and you know the current. So basically the resistance, which I'm gonna put it right here, would equal to the volts. And sorry if I'm going slow, I'm just going right here with my fingers. That's a E, by the way, over the I. And that would actually give you your resistance. Now let's say that you're looking for the I, which is the current. So you don't know the current, you want to know the current on whatever you're working on. That would be basically the same thing as the last one, but this time with the I equals, and then it's going to be the volts, which is E, over the R, which is the resistance that you do know. You know those two, and you're looking for the current, and bam. So you just input the numbers and work out the formula, just division to give you your answer. Now let's say you're trying to find the volts. You don't have the volts, but you have the current and the resistance. So for that one, no more division, so that's always good. So it's going to be E, and then it's going to be equals, and I think you kind of guessed this part, it's going to be I. Second with my eye, it looks a little weird. And then right here is just bam, times the resistance, bam, and that gives you your E. So there is a lot more steps to this. It's just a very simplified version of how to use the formula and what it's for, but basically whatever you want to do, that's just the way to do it right there.